Hello there, I'm Laksen. Welcome to my song tutorial. This song using a capo placing on the 4th fret. So if you count from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here. Now, this song starts with the first with the G5 like this. Okay, start with the second finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret from the capo. So if we count from here, 1, 2, 3. So here. And then the 3rd finger on the 2nd string, still on the same fret, which is the 3rd. And the next finger, which is the 4th, the pinky here, on the 1st fret, also on the same fret. So all of the fingers are on the 3rd fret. So like this, yeah. Okay, if I sing it, it goes like this. Stop the clocks, it's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna play slowly so you can see the strumming. And it goes like this. Stop the clock, it's amazing. Dun, dun. Yeah, one more time. Da, 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 dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's how the strumming goes. And next line is go to Csus2, which is like this. Yeah, that's quite simple because the 3rd and the 4th finger are still the same position, so they don't move at all. So only the 2nd finger from the 6th move to the 5th string, yeah, on the same fret, of course. So it goes like this, yeah. So if I start again from the top, I'm gonna play it slowly so you can see what's going on. So it goes like this. Stop the clock, it's amazing. And then Csus2. You should see the way the light dances up your hair. So the strumming also is still pretty much the same. Yeah, it goes like this. Okay. Dum, 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 dum. And then the next line goes to Dsus4. It's like this. Again, it's quite simple. You just place the 1st finger to the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. And again, the 3rd and the 4th finger are still in the same position. Okay? Like this. Alright, let's start from the top again. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. Stop the clocks, it's amazing. And then Csus2. You should see the way the light dances up your hair. And then Dsus4, a million colors up. And then after that, go to E-7. This is again quite simple. Only move the 1st finger from the 3rd string to the 5th string. Yeah, still on the same fret. And again, those 2 fingers are still the same position. Okay? And let's me bore you. We start again from the top. 2, 3. Go. Stop the clocks, it's amazing. And then Csus2. You should see the way the light dances up your hair. And then Dsus4, million colors of hair. And E-7, all the name. And then back Csus2, golden and red. Okay, so and then the next line we're gonna do the same circle with the same chord progression. Start from the G5 again, which is the basic chord here of this song. So if I sing it, I'm gonna play it slowly, and then you can obviously see what's going on with the strumming as well. So it goes like this. Saturday morning is fading, Csus2, the sun reflected by the coffee in your hand, and Dsus4, my eyes are caught in the hand, the -7 again. Now next is the chorus. The chorus still using pretty much the same chords, but this chorus start with the Csus2. So it goes like this. We were love drunk, waiting on a miracle. Okay, gonna play it slowly. You can see what's going on with the strumming. It goes like this. We were love drunk, waiting on a miracle. And then go to G5, which is the first chord earlier. Find ourselves in the, and then to Dsus4, like this. The snow, yeah. And then back to the circle, which is start from Csus2. So alone in love, like a water disappear. And G5, and to Dsus4, okay. And then play the same circle again to Csus2. Oh, I won't be silent, and I won't let go. G5, and hold on tighter to the Dsus4, and then back to the circle. Then G5. Okay, so that's the chorus, and the next is bridge, still using the same chord. So this start from the Csus2 again, and then go to G5 and back to Dsus4. So it goes like this. Oh, I will hold to the afterglow, G5, and Dsus4 again. Csus2, I will hold to the afterglow. That's it. That's the song tutorial for Afterglow by Ed Sheeran. You can find full lyrics and the chords on the description below this clip. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I see you on the next lesson.